Hey, hello everyone. Hi, this is Ravi. I am the CPDC trainer for this course. So I have total of 10 years of experience in Pega and 4 years of experience into Pega Decisioning and Pega Marketing. So I'll be the trainer for this entire CPDC program. This program is for 45 hours, 40 hours of technical training and 5 hours of certification and project preparation. Okay, so total we will be covering for 45 hours and it will be daily 1 hour, Monday to Friday. uh, Probably we'll have morning session, but we are discussing with the trainer and the organizer to keep it in the morning 7 to 8. Yeah, so it will be from Monday to Friday, and you will be getting the recordings, PPTs, the material, and you will be getting assignments every Friday, which you can practice in your personal edition. Okay, so that's about me. So can you guys introduce about yourself?
Yeah, hi Ravi, this is Shravani. So I'm into Pega testing right now. So I wanted to explore the decisioning and get into the development side. So that's why I've joined this course.
Okay, great. Yeah, thanks. Anyone else want to introduce? Why do you want to learn Pega decisioning? Just a few words. Yeah, yeah. Hi, Venkat.
Hey Ravi, will getting it. Yeah, so in a Pega platform professional, Ravi, I would like to get a good hands-on to do the decisioning projects.
Okay. So, okay. All right. So let us get started. Fine. So one more thing, this particular course is combination of both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So that means within the single course, it will cover both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing syllabus. Okay. After this course, we will be giving you 100% guaranteed certification assistance. Okay. 100% certification will be guaranteed and job assistance will be there. So you will be getting references for Pega decisioning roles. Okay. So this is all inclusive of the enrollment that you do. The demo sessions will be conducted from today till Friday. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 4 days. 4 days of demo session will be there. All right. So let's get into the demo. So first of all, what is next best action? So we have a concept called next best action. Next best action means it is the right offer to the right customer at right time. See, first of all, in our PCDC, that is a Pega decisioning syllabus, we have two components. One is Pega decisioning, second is Pega marketing. In Pega decisioning, we actually use Pega decisioning in order to generate the next best action. Basically, Pega decisioning itself is used to promote products to the customers effectively. Okay, the entire framework that we are learning is used to promote products to the customer effectively in order to improve the revenue for the business. That is the overall purpose of the Pega decisioning framework. Within this framework, there are two components. One is Pega decisioning, second is Pega marketing. So the Pega decisioning, what it will do is it's going to have the features which allow Pega to generate the next best action. Okay, Pega Decisioning Framework has all the components, features that are used to generate the next best action. For example, let's say I went to a electronic store and I bought a laptop. Okay, I bought a laptop from the electronic store. So now the electronic store has taken my email ID and my mobile number. So tomorrow they have sent me an email saying that we have a laptop bag. The laptop bag is very much suitable for my promotion because I already bought a laptop and I might need a laptop bag. So that is called as the next best action. Okay. So this next best action will be different for different customers, right? Because one customer has bought a mobile. So you are promoting something like a mobile headset. Some other customer, he has bought some laptop. You are promoting some laptop bag or laptop charger. So this is called as next best action, which is nothing but right offer to the right customer at right time. So the decisioning framework is completely responsible for generating the next best action for the customer so that the customer will convert into sales, right? Because if you are sending some random offer or random product, the customer might not buy. But if it is the next best action, the customer will be interested to buy. Now the Pega marketing framework scope is to deliver this next best action effectively. Okay, the Pega decisioning framework will generate the next best action. The Pega marketing framework will deliver the next best action. Okay, so these two things are already there in the framework that we are going to learn, and these two will be covered in the syllabus that we are going to see. Okay, so that is about this high level overview. What does Pega decisioning course contains? It will contain two things: Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Pega decisioning job is to generate the next best action. Pega marketing job is to deliver this next best action through email or SMS or website, whatever the channels. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you have any questions, right, you can interrupt me. Not an issue.
Ravi Venkat here, one question.
Yes.
Will you provide the CDH framework rule base for practice?
We have a separate cloud to practice. We will be practicing in the cloud.
Okay.
Okay. I'll show you how to practice.
Okay.
So now let us take a sample example how the next best action looks like. You see this example here. In the first icon, this is the strategy. This is the strategy which is actually storing the logic. Okay. In the second icon, the customer is visiting the website. Okay. The customer is visiting the website. Now the strategy has given a next best action for this customer. Okay, strategy has given the next best action for this customer. Now the customer is very much interested to buy that. In the fourth icon, customer has accepted that offer. Now next job is to Pega marketing to send this offer through email or SMS or something. Okay, so then finally happy customers are created. So this is just a sample example how next best action works. So first, the Pega decisioning will trigger the next best action, and the Pega marketing will deliver the next best action. So that is how the sample life cycle, how it looks like. Okay, fine. So this one we can actually see it later. Fine. Now, before we can go through this. So what is this particular thing is, this is nothing but the decisioning portals. So as part of this session, we will be learning few portals. We will be seeing what are those portals. The first and very important portal that we have is Customer Decision Hub. Okay. So when I say portal, it is something like your Dev Studio, App Studio, like that. So our entire Pega decisioning and Pega marketing, we will be doing in this portal that is called Customer Decision Hub, which is also called as CDH. Okay, CDH stands for Customer Decision Hub, and we will be seeing it shortly. But let us understand what it will do. So the Customer Decision Hub is decisioning and marketing portal that provides variety of features in order to better reach the customer. Okay, so within the same portal, you can create decisioning logic. You can also create marketing logic. Okay, both of them you will be able to do that. So completely we will be working on this portal only. So majority of the part. Second one that we have is Prediction Studio. So this is the Prediction Studio, actually how it looks like. And you might have seen this Prediction Studio in your personal edition, but you might not be learning that because it is a decisioning analytics portal. Prediction Studio is a decisioning analytics portal which allows decisioning consultants to monitor the models and everything. We'll come to know what is the purpose of models, what models are there, how does decisioning work, everything we'll be seeing in detail. For now, just think that we'll be learning two portals. One is CDH, second is Prediction Studio. Okay, so we'll go through that. We'll go through that shortly. Okay. Now, coming to the job opportunities. So we have a high demand for Pega decisioning consultants and Pega marketing consultants. Okay, because there is very less resources are available for this particular positions. Even you have lot of on-site opportunities in Europe, US and Australia like that. So definitely when you compare a core Pega consultant or system architect or senior system architect, definitely you will be having at least 30 to 40% hike, okay, for decisioning, because the demand is there but we don't have enough resources as per the demand. So when you learn the course, definitely there will be a lot of scope for this particular course. So that is for sure, and you might already be aware of that. Okay, now the certification that is associated with this course, it is called PCDC. PCDC stands for Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant. Okay, Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant. The certification name says Decisioning Consultant, but within the same course, you will be learning both Pega Decisioning and Pega Marketing. As I told you, Pega Decisioning job is to generate what is the next best action for this customer. The Pega Marketing job is to deliver this next best action through email or SMS or website, some using some channel. So that is the core difference between decisioning and marketing. Okay, so we'll come to know what are the differences and all these things. So one important thing that everyone has to be aware is about the prerequisites. Okay, about the prerequisites. So before we go, you can actually go through this link. I'll just go through that. Yeah. So coming to the prerequisites, in order to learn Pega decisioning course, you have to be at least CSA. Okay, so at least you need to write CSA certification. So anyone here who haven't completed CSA, please let me know. Okay, so because without CSA, this course is not effective, and also no company will help you to take into the job without CSA certification. So if you are planning to complete the CSA certification, that is well and good. But if you have not yet completed CSA, please prepare for Certified System Architect course. Complete the certification, then only start applying for job. Okay, so I'll tell you why the reason CSA is important. That also I'll tell you. Fine. So that is the most important mandatory requirement, that everyone has to be certified system architect before you start learning Pega decisioning. So let us go through the curriculum that we have. I'll just open the curriculum syllabus. So I'm going to select 8.7. So we will be writing 8.7 exam. Okay, all of us will be writing the 8.7. So if you just select the 8.7 syllabus here, what you can do, just go to this mission content. Mission content. Yeah, just go to the go to this thing, that is training, view certifications, and within the certifications you just click on decisioning consultant. Okay, this is the course that you will be learning. 8.7 is the latest version. 8.7 is the latest version. So select this 8.7 certification exam, and when you scroll down you will be able to see all the curriculum that we have. Okay, so I have also prepared the curriculum which will cover the CPDC. So let us go through that curriculum also. So if you just see this, yeah, okay, so I'm just opening this. All right, okay, so you see every single day what we will be covering, everything we have kept here. I will be sharing this curriculum to your email ID after the session. So the curriculum is designed in such a way that first we will be covering Pega decisioning. Okay, first we will be covering Pega decisioning. Later we will be covering the Pega marketing. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen, just a second. Okay, okay, yeah. So so like I was telling, this particular curriculum is designed for 40 hours and 5 hours for project and certification preparation. Now first, we will be starting with Pega Decisioning course. In the Pega Decisioning, we will be learning propositions, business groups, everything that we'll be learning. After Pega Decisioning, we will be starting with Pega Marketing. Okay, so in your curriculum, 30% of weightage is given to Pega Decisioning, 70% of weightage is given to Pega Marketing. Okay, that is from a certification point of view. Okay, around 30 to 35% will be for Pega decisioning, 65 to 70% weightage for Pega marketing. Okay, but again, it is only from a certification point of view. From real-time project, both are equal. Okay, from real-time project, both are equal. So that's the reason. First, we will begin with Pega decisioning topics. Once Pega decisioning topics are completed, we will go for Pega marketing topics. Okay, so you just go through this curriculum and you can also compare this with the curriculum which I will be sharing you. Okay, so we'll be covering all of them, everything with practical scenarios and also real-time examples. So coming back to the slide, So I was telling you the prerequisites, that is you need to be CSS certified. So please make sure that you complete the CSS certification. So what are the other requirements that we have? So every Pega decisioning consultant, we expect, okay, we expect for Pega decisioning consultant, at least you have 2 to 3 years of IT experience. Okay, you need to have at least 2 to 3 years of IT experience. You need to be Pega certified system architect, that is CSA. You need to have 2 to 3 years of IT experience and Pega experience. And the remaining things are only preferred but not mandatory. Like you need to be graduate Java experience and all these things, which you already know. But the only mandatory thing is you have to be CSS certified. Okay. Now coming to the practice. So how do we practice the Pega decisioning syllabus that we are going to see? There are two ways. How do we practice? First thing is, whatever is there in Pega decisioning, everything will be covered in personal edition. Okay, that means whatever the topics are there for Pega decisioning, all the topics are there in personal edition software also. So if you have downloaded the 8.7 personal edition, you can practice all the Pega decisioning topics on the personal edition software itself. Okay, now Pega marketing topics, whatever we learn, we will be practicing on cloud. So I will share the cloud link to you. You can log into the cloud and you can start practicing that. So this is what I advise and we recommend.
Ravi, without CDH, can we practice Pega decisioning concepts in personal edition?
Yeah, Pega decisioning concepts you can practice without CDH, but not Pega marketing. Okay.
Oh, that means through Prediction Studio.
Yeah, Prediction Studio is there. In Dev Studio also we have the topics: adaptive models, strategies, data flows. Okay, predictive model, scorecards. All these are there in personal edition.
Okay.
You don't need to have CDH for that. Yeah. Yeah, but Pega marketing we don't have in personal edition. You cannot practice in personal edition. For that, we recommend you to learn in cloud. So let me show you how to practice in cloud. So if you just go to the here, I'm just sending you a link. So I'll share this link to you. You can open the link in your system and you can start practicing. What I'm doing, I'm selecting CDH 8.7. So I think this is V4. I'm copying this challenge and I'm pasting it in the chat. Please bookmark this URL. Okay, please bookmark this URL in your system, and we will be using the same URL to launch the cloud and start practicing the CDH. So when you come to this URL, it will ask you to log in. When you just scroll down, okay, when you just scroll down, yeah, here itself you will have this launch button. Okay, you just need to first log in. Okay, after you log in, I hope you already have PDN account. Please log into your PDN account. After you log in, you will be getting this launch button. You just need to click on the launch button and it will take like 5 to 10 minutes or even less than that. Okay, and then you need to click on this CRM suite. You need to click on the CRM suite and you just need to log into this. That's it. The password username is already given here itself. You can just I'll just paste it in the chat also for you. You see here, this is the one username and this is the password. So just you can log in with the same operator ID and password. So for example, if you want, I am pasting it in the chat also, so that if you can keep send some notepad or something, you can keep it there. Okay, so the password is decisioning architect. password is rules. So this is the challenge. This is the cloud which we will be accessing every day, and we will be learning our concepts. Okay, just bookmark this link, log in, and use this operator ID and password to log into the system. Okay, so that is about this CDH we are going to learn. Within the same studio, you have Prediction Studio also. So both CDH and Prediction Studio, we will be learning there itself. Okay, we will be learning there itself. Okay, so any questions still here? Just let me know on how do we practice if it's not clear. Clear for everyone? Okay. Now next thing is practicing on personalization. So let us say that you don't want to practice on cloud. You want to practice on personalization. Now what is the scenario? So for Pega 8.7 personalization to work, you need to have 64-bit operating system. Okay, you need to have 64-bit operating system and at least 16 GB RAM. Okay, you need to have at least 16 GB RAM in order for Pega to work. Okay, so you need to have 16 GB RAM should be there, 64-bit operating system, minimum 20 GB hard disk space should be free. So all these are the requirements that you need to follow in your system. So if you are using 8 GB RAM, still it will work, but you will be getting a lot of slowness and lag. So that's the reason 16 GB is recommended with 64-bit operating system. Mac operating systems will not work. So if you are trying to use it on a Apple laptop, so don't try to attempt that, because there is some known issues that the personalization will not install there. Yeah, so that is about this thing. And yeah, next coming to the project that we are going to start. So we are going to start with a banking project. So as part of this banking project, we will be learning that a particular bank, they want to promote some products and services like debit cards, credit cards, personal loan, housing loan. So the bank wants to use Pega marketing and Pega decisioning in order to promote their products to the customers. So we will be helping the bank to use the effective strategies and models and the Pega marketing capabilities in order to generate and deliver the next best action to the customers. So next best action means the right offer to the right customer at right time. That means, for example, I bought a laptop today and the promotion is coming to me after 1 month for laptop bag. By the time after 1 month, I already bought the laptop bag. So that time I am sending an offer means the customer will not buy. So you have to send the right offer to the right customer at right time. That is the next best action. Okay, that is the next best action. The overall intention is to convert the customer into a sale. Okay, so that the business value will be increased and also more customers will be created. So that is the overall purpose why Pega decisioning and marketing is very important for a business. So all the features that we use are for that purpose only. Okay, so any questions before we jump into some overview of the portal? So any questions from anyone, like you have any queries, any doubts?
Ravi, the same time will we continue or will we change the timing later?
Yeah, so maybe we can discuss that now. So are you guys comfortable with 7 to 8 morning, or is it too early? Just let me know. I want to go with the majority.
Same time would be better for me.
Same time is better. Okay. Yeah. So everyone, please try to answer, because I want to go with the majority. What you say? 7 to 8 IST is suitable or not? You can type in the chat, or you can let me know. Okay. Okay. So I think most of the people are saying no. Okay. Fine. Let us do one thing. We'll go with the same time, 8:30 to 9:30, as we see. We'll be going through the same session and same time. Okay. Yeah. So then I hope everyone is fine with that. Okay. So I hope it is clear now that all of you will be joining the demo from tomorrow also at 8:30. Okay. 8:30 you will be starting the demo, and we'll be going through that. So coming to the prerequisites, are you all clear? Like just an overview, what we are going to learn and how we are going to learn. Let me know if you are not clear or anything. If you have any questions, like you want to have some doubts, just let me know.
Yes, Ravi, just a quick thing. So, at the end of session, will we be getting this recording?
Yes, yes. Every day the recordings will be sent to your email
Okay,
IDs. Like within uh, 2 to 3 hours, it will be sent.
okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So you will also be getting the PPTs. So for every session, the PPT is there. You will be getting the PPTs as well.
Wait, for how long will we have access to the
Lifetime.
videos?
Lifetime. Yeah. Lifetime.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have my email IDs?
What is it?
Do you have all email IDs?
So the email IDs we will be taking after you enroll. Okay. So
Oh,
till then, the videos will be shared on WhatsApp.
got it.
After you enroll to the course, it will be sent through email. Yeah. And also, like I told you, every week you will be getting assignment. Whatever we practice, you can complete that assignment, and we can discuss on that assignment on Monday. I'll share it the assignment on Friday. You can start working on that assignment. That is like a
The,
real-time POC.
Ravi, the
Yeah.
class will be only weekdays or weekends?
Only weekdays, Monday to Friday,
India time, right?
India time.
Okay.
So Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 9:30 IST, India time. Okay.
How many
So
classes? How many classes required to complete
how many?
total? How many classes total?
Total, like I told, right, 40 hours will be there. That means 40 classes.
Okay.
5 hours will be your exercises and project preparation, certification preparation, resume writing. All this will be there. Technical sessions will be 40 hours. Okay. Yeah. So I will be sharing the projects, certification dumps, everything at the end of the course, so that you can prepare for certification. 100% certification guarantee will be there. That is for sure. So just a minute, I'll just yeah. Any other questions? Okay, fine. Yeah. So just I'll just go through once again what we are going to learn in the introduction part. So as part of introduction, I told you that The Pega Decisioning framework is having two components. The first component is NBA framework or decisioning. Second is marketing component. Okay. First is decisioning, second is marketing. In decisioning, we have all features to generate the next best action. In Pega marketing, we have all features to deliver the next best action through channels. Okay, channels means like email, SMS, website, push notification, all these things are channels. So marketing job is mainly sending the offers effectively. Sending the offers effectively, that's what marketing will do. So within marketing, we have two types of marketing. First one is inbound marketing. Second one is outbound marketing. So what is the difference between inbound marketing and outbound marketing? Inbound marketing means the customer contacting the business for a purpose and business doing promotion. So for example, let us say, I'll take a real-time example. Let us say that you are a Airtel customer. That means you are paying your Airtel mobile data bills, network bills every month to Airtel. So this month when you are trying to pay the bill, there is some error that after paying the bill, the invoice is not generated. Okay, like the receipt or the receipt is not generated. So you are calling the customer care and you are saying, I have already paid the bill, but it is not showing in the account. Okay, it is not showing in the account. You are complaining to the customer care. Now the customer care person, he will resolve the issue. Okay, he will resolve the issue and he will try to tell you that you are, like for example, you are eligible for some 2 GB free data or 2 GB data at 20% discount, or we are providing some OTT subscription for very less price. So in this scenario, you have contacted the business and the business is doing some promotion. This kind of marketing is called as inbound marketing. Okay, same thing. For example, let us say you went to a supermarket, you bought some groceries. After buying the groceries, the sales representative, he is saying like we have 20% discount on some particular food item. We have some 20% discount on some particular food item. So all this is called as inbound marketing. Inbound marketing means the customer is contacting the business and the business is doing some promotion. Now coming to outbound marketing, business is contacting the customer. Okay, business is contacting the customer. The customer is not contacting the business. For example, let us say I have HDFC bank account. Okay, I have HDFC bank account. Now the business has actually sent me some personal loan offer through my email ID. I did not contact the business. I did not ask anything to the business, but the HDFC bank has sent me an email for personal loan. This is called as outbound marketing. Okay, inbound marketing means customer contacting the business. Outbound marketing means business contacting the customer. So these are the two types of marketing which is there in the marketing channels. Now in inbound, we have the channels like email, SMS, push notification. Sorry, not inbound. So email, inbound we have website, we have retail, we have inbound calls. In Pega we have inbound calls, right? In customer service we have inbound calls and outbound calls. So all these are part of inbound marketing. Because for example, let us say you are a Airtel customer, you want to pay the bill. You will open the website, right? But business website will not open for you. You will only open the website. That means you are doing inbound marketing. The business is doing inbound marketing. You have opened the Airtel website, then you paid the mobile bill. After paying the mobile bill, you saw some banner that is saying like 20% discount on internet plan. Okay, some 10% discount on internet plan. That is nothing but a promotion. Okay, you contacted the business and the business is doing some promotion. This is called as inbound marketing. So in Pega we support these three channels. Okay, supported channels in Pega marketing are these three. Now outbound marketing means, I told you, right? The customer is not contacting, business is only contacting the customers. Okay, business is only contacting the customers. So here the supported channels are like email, SMS, push notification. Okay, these are the supported channels. So you know, right, push notification, for example, let us say you have downloaded some Zomato app, and also you have downloaded some Swiggy app. So every day you might be seeing some notifications that are coming on the top in your mobile, right? Something like a new restaurant is open or new food item is available. Some notifications you might be getting if you have downloaded these apps like Swiggy and Zomato. So those notifications are called as push notifications. Okay, those notifications are called as push notifications. So you did not open the Zomato app, you just downloaded it, that's it. But the app is sending you notifications every day. So those you call it as push notifications, and that is part of outbound marketing. So these are the supported channels in Pega marketing for inbound. These are the supported channels in Pega marketing for outbound. Okay, so we'll be seeing how to configure this, what is the settings that you need to configure. Everything we'll be seeing it here, okay, in the CDH portal. Okay, so yeah, that is about this different types of marketing that we have in Pega marketing. Now coming to the decisioning, we'll be seeing what all features that we have in Pega decisioning. So we have strategy. Okay, I'm just listing down the features that are there in Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. From tomorrow onwards, we will be seeing the practical application and practical implementation. So today is only like a overview session. Tomorrow we'll start with the portal. So in Pega decisioning, we have strategy, which is used to define, which is used to create logic that will decide the next best action for a particular customer. Okay, in strategy we will decide the logic. That logic will decide what is the next best action for a particular customer. So then we have another topics like models. In the models, what does the model will do is, like we have adaptive model, we have predictive model, all these are the models. What is the purpose of models? They are used to store the customer responses and identify which offers are suggested. Okay, so it will just store and it will analyze, it will store and analyze the customer responses, or you can say customers previous responses, and identify the effective offers. So you can say identify the effective next best action. Also you can say identify the next effective next best action. Next best action itself is effective, so again you don't need to say effective NBA, because next best action means a highly targeted offer. That means if you send this offer to the customer, that means there is a very high chance the customer is going to buy that.
So the offer should be in such a way that will be decided by the strategy. So these models will support the strategy by analyzing the customer's previous data and decide which offer might be useful for the customer. That will be decided by the models. So then we have some data flows, so which will be used for sequencing and combining data for large customers. Yeah, we'll see this thing later. And we have yeah, so these are the main topics that we have in decisioning. Main topics, there are other topics also, but these are the main topics. Coming to the marketing, so in decisioning the features are this, which are used to decide the next best action. Coming to the marketing, we have the features which are used to send or which are used to deliver the next best action to the customers. Okay, using Pega decisioning we cannot send it to the customer. Okay, the objective is only to generate what is the next best action, but it will not have any features to send them to the customers. Okay, the features to send to the customers effectively will be present in Pega marketing. So here I have campaigns. So these are used to send the offers to the customers. Then here we have some topic like treatments. Treatments means the actual content that is visible to the customers. Okay, for example, you might be seeing, right, for example, you are a HDFC bank customer. HDFC bank sends some personal loan offer to you. Now whatever the personal loan email promotion that you got, that promotion, right, it will have very beautiful and good looking images, clickable buttons, and some interactive images and all these things, right? It will look very appealing to our eyes, which will make the customer to click on that. So those kind of good looking images, banners, content, everything, you will be keeping it in the treatment. Okay, you will be keeping that in the treatment. So then we have channels, which I told you. Like channels means delivery, what you said, delivery modes, like email, SMS, website. Okay, all these are the channels. Channels means how you want to send, through which medium you want to send, through email or SMS, or you want to send on website. All these things are the channels that we have. Okay, so like this we have, then we have something like segments. Segments means targeted customers. Okay, so because let us say you take HDFC bank or you take Airtel, let us say Airtel is having something like 2 crores customers are there. Okay, let's say 2 crore customers are there for Airtel. Maybe there can be more, but just for example I'm keeping 2 crore. So out of 2 crore customers, you are promoting something like mobile data. Okay, you are trying to promote something like a mobile data plan, like 2 GB. Okay, 2 GB daily mobile data, this is the plan. So out of 2 crore customers, maybe whichever customers are having or spending like 1,000 rupees per month, only those people are eligible. Those people only should be getting this, right? Because everyone cannot afford 2 GB data daily, because some customers income is very low, some customers income is very high. So I want to promote this offer only to very high income customers. So those targeted customers for my promotion, we call them as segments. Okay, that means out of 2 crore, maybe only like 10 lakh customers are having high income. Okay, only they are eligible. Okay, only this 10 lakh customers are eligible. This 10 lakh customers we call them as segment. Okay, we call them as segments. So all these topics we will be seeing live, how to configure them, what is the configuration, what is the backend settings, Everything will be seeing using scenarios and examples. So these are the high level overview of the topics that we are going to cover. Major topics, there are many more, but major topics are these things. Okay, so from decisioning these are the major, and from marketing these are the major things, and we'll see everything in detail from tomorrow onwards. The practical sessions will start. Yeah, so before we close the session, so just let me know like if you have any questions. So yeah.
Here is one question.
Yeah.
My client is using Pega 8.4 for decisioning. How different is it from 8.7? I'm
So
talking about
8.7 and 8.3, the terminology is same. Only difference is some new concepts are added and some new terms are added, because previously the term name is different and now the name is different. Like contact policy is there, now we are calling it as outbound limits. And in 8.7 some new features are added, like I think 5 to 6 latest features are there, which is not there in 8.3. So definitely there is a difference, but not significant difference that you cannot understand. Okay, you can still understand because terminology remains same. Terminology remains same, just maybe the name difference might be there, and some new features are added. If you learn what are those new features, that will be enough.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, so we will be covering 8.7, so it should be fine for you. For the certification point of view, you should be able to clear that. Yeah, so we'll definitely cover all the features which are needed, so that you will be going through that. Okay, so this is about today's introduction and overview. Just a high level overview: what Pega decisioning, what Pega marketing, what features we have in decisioning, what features we have in marketing, and what we will start first. So all these things. So tomorrow we will be completely working on the portal. Okay, we'll start doing the practical sessions from tomorrow. Just start joining at the same time, 8:30 tomorrow, same link, same time. Okay, if no other questions, we'll close the session. But if you have any other questions, please let me know.